Join us on a journey to financial freedom. Explore the top wealth secrets that can change your life forever. Why financial elite get richer while others struggle. Our world is a financial playground where the uber-rich seem to play by a different set of rules. They're not just lucky, they're not just smart, they're playing a different game altogether. A game where wealth continues to accumulate, like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger. On the other side of this picture, we have the majority, the rest of us, playing the conventional game. We work, we save, we invest. But somehow, the financial gap between the elite and us continues to widen. It's like we're running on a treadmill, hustling hard but not moving forward as fast. So, what's the difference? Why does this gap exist? The answer is simple but profound. The financial elite understand the rules of the game better. They know where to invest, when to hold back, and how to leverage their assets to create even more wealth. They understand that money is a tool, a resource that can be manipulated and multiplied if handled correctly. But it's not just about having more money. It's about a different mindset, a different strategy. The wealthy operate on a level of financial literacy that most of us are not taught in school. They understand the power of compounding, of investing in assets, not liabilities. They know the importance of diversification and risk management. To put it simply, they don't just work for money, they make money work for them. The disparity in wealth is not just about the amount of money in one's bank account. It's about the different financial strategies, the different rules of the game that the wealthy play. The good news? These rules aren't exclusive to the elite. They can be learned, they can be applied. And that's exactly what we're going to do. In this video, we're going to uncover the wealth secrets of the financial elite. So what's their secret? Let's dive deep into their world. Consider Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world. His wealth isn't the result of a high-flying tech startup or a family inheritance. Instead, it's the product of smart, steady investing, firmly rooted in a philosophy known as value investing. This strategy is all about buying stocks for less than their intrinsic value. In other words, it's about finding bargains, scooping them up, and patiently waiting for the market to recognize their true worth. Buffett's approach to investing is not about chasing the next big thing. It's about understanding the fundamentals of a business, its potential for growth, and the value it offers. It's about looking at the long-term picture rather than the short-term fluctuations. This is where Buffett's famous saying comes into play: it's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. One of the key elements of Buffett's investment strategy is the concept of compound interest, often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. Compound interest is the process where your wealth grows exponentially over time, because you earn interest not just on your original investment, but also on the interest you've already earned. Buffett started investing when he was just 11 years old, which gave his investments a lot of time to grow and compound. Buffett's investment philosophy is not about getting rich quick. It's about patience, discipline, and making informed decisions. It's about understanding and believing in what you invest in. It's about not following the crowd, but making your own path based on solid research and understanding. But it's not just about the money for Buffett, it's about doing what he loves. He once said, "I tap dance to work, and when I get there, I think I'm supposed to lie on my back and paint the ceiling. It's tremendous fun." This goes to show that wealth isn't just about accumulating money, it's about finding something you love to do and excelling at it. Buffett's story shows us that wise investing can lead to immense wealth. It's a testament to the power of patience, discipline, and a deep understanding of value. Or take Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. Now here's a man who took the term calculated risk to a whole new level. Bezos, a Wall Street prodigy, identified a market need in the early days of the internet and took a leap of faith. He founded Amazon as an online bookstore in 1994, and his journey since then has been nothing short of a financial rollercoaster. His wealth-building strategy was simple and yet incredibly effective. Bezos didn't just follow the market trends, he set them. He used technology to his advantage, pushing boundaries and creating a business model that was unheard of at the time. Bezos saw the potential of the internet when most saw it as a fad. He envisioned a marketplace that transcended geographical boundaries, where anyone could buy anything from anywhere. But Bezos' success wasn't overnight. It took time, perseverance, and an unwavering belief in his vision. Amazon didn't turn a profit for its first 5 years, but Bezos was playing the long game. He reinvested every penny back into the company, expanding beyond books into electronics, clothing, and eventually everything under the sun. And then came the masterstroke: Amazon Web Services, or AWS. By renting out Amazon's vast computing infrastructure, Bezos tapped into a goldmine. AWS now accounts for a staggering 50% of Amazon's operating income. Throughout his journey, Bezos has shown that he's not afraid to take risks, to innovate, to disrupt. He's an entrepreneur in the truest sense of the word. His relentless customer focus, his long-term orientation, and his willingness to be misunderstood have been key to his financial success. But what sets Bezos apart is his ability to stay ahead of the curve, to anticipate and shape consumer behavior. He has revolutionized the way we shop, the way we consume content, even the way we compute. Bezos' success demonstrates that innovation and entrepreneurship can be highly lucrative. He's a testament to the fact that with calculated risks, a relentless focus on the customer, and a bit of patience, you can build a financial empire from the ground up. What can we learn from these examples? This brings us to the cornerstones of wealth building used by the financial elite. Let's delve into 3 key strategies: investing, entrepreneurship, and leveraging debt. First, investing. The financial elite understand the power of making money work for them. Rather than leaving their money idle, they invest it. Investments can take many forms, from stocks and bonds to real estate and startups. The key is to diversify, spreading the risk across different asset classes. Remember, the goal is not to hit a home run every time, but to steadily increase wealth over time. Second, entrepreneurship. Many of the wealthiest individuals have built their fortunes through entrepreneurship. They create value by solving problems and meeting needs. This could mean starting a business, developing a new product, or innovating within an existing industry. Entrepreneurship isn't just about making money, it's about creating something of value that people are willing to pay for. And third, leveraging debt. When used wisely, debt can be a powerful tool for wealth creation. The financial elite know how to use debt to their advantage, often borrowing money to invest in opportunities that will generate a higher return. This strategy, known as leverage, can multiply the potential returns on an investment. But remember, with greater potential returns comes greater risk. So it's important to use this strategy judiciously. Let's not forget, these strategies aren't limited to the financial elite. While the scale might be different, the principles remain the same. Investing, entrepreneurship, leveraging debt, these are tools available to anyone willing to learn and apply them. So let's reflect. What can you invest in today? What problems can you solve through entrepreneurship? How can you leverage debt to multiply your wealth? Remember, wealth building isn't about getting rich quick. It's a journey, one that requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to take calculated risks. These strategies aren't just for the elite. Anyone can use them to build wealth. But there's another crucial factor to consider: mindset. This is the invisible hand that guides the financial elite towards their wealth-building goals. It's the secret sauce that isn't always discussed in financial strategy meetings or investment webinars. Think about it. A wealth-building mindset isn't something that you're born with. It's something that you cultivate, nurture, and grow. And it starts with 2 key elements: a willingness to take risks and a long-term perspective. In the realm of finance, risk is unavoidable. It's the ghost that haunts every investment decision, every business venture, every market fluctuation. But here's the thing. The financially successful don't shy away from risk. They embrace it. They understand that without risk, there's no reward. They know that sometimes you have to bet big to win big. And then there's the long-term perspective. This is the binoculars through which the financial elite view their wealth journey. They're not looking for the quick buck. They're not swayed by short-term market trends or flavor-of-the-month investment opportunities. No, they're in it for the long haul. They understand that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. But how do you cultivate this mindset? How do you train your brain to think like the financial elite? First, start with education. Read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts. Equip yourself with the knowledge you need to make informed financial decisions. Second, practice patience. Understand that wealth building is a process that takes time. Don't be discouraged by short-term setbacks. Third, surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Find mentors who embody the wealth-building mindset. Learn from their successes and their failures. And lastly, don't be afraid to dream big. Set audacious financial goals. Believe in your ability to achieve them. So remember, while strategies and tactics can get you far, it's your mindset that will ultimately determine your financial destiny. With the right mindset, you too can join the ranks of the financial elite. Are you ready to change your financial future? Well, you've taken the first step by watching this video and learning about financial elite wealth secrets. But there's so much more we can explore together. Imagine a world where you're not just dreaming about wealth, but actively building it. Picture yourself learning the strategies used by the world's financial elite and using them to shape your own financial destiny. It's all possible, and it starts with a simple click. So if you've found value in what we've talked about today, why not give this video a like? It helps us reach more people, spreading the wealth of knowledge. And if you want to continue this journey towards financial empowerment, consider subscribing to our channel. We're constantly sharing new tips, strategies, and insights that can help you navigate the intricate world of finance. Together, we can shift your financial paradigm. I will see you in the next video.